Sound. Sound is a form of energy. Sounds are made when objects vibrate. Vibrate means to move quickly backwards and forwards. A sound vibration makes tiny particles of the air bump into each other, first press together, and then they spread apart or expand again. Each particle passes its energy to the particles next to it. In this way, vibrations are passed from molecules to molecules. We call this movement a sound wave. Sound travel at different speeds through different materials. Sound cannot travel through space because there is no sound travels better through solids and liquids than through gases. Waves can travel through doors and walls. Sound needs a medium to travel. Sounds which we like and pleasant effect are called music. Sounds that are unpleasant are called noise. When sound waves hit a barrier such as cliff, this reflected sound is called echo. We cannot work and think properly at noisy places. Noise pollution refers to excessive community noise, which has been shown to have negative effects on children. There are hospitals, schools, parks and theater are found in the cities. People living in noisy areas often suffer from headache, blood pressure and many other diseases. Noise may even disturb our nervous system.